Hi, I'm Chef Joel. Today I'll be showing you how you can do a very healthy prawn and spinach soup at home. I'm very happy to be working with Kranji Countryside Association to promote Singapore produce. Today I'll be showing you how you can do a very healthy prawn and spinach soup at home. These are the ingredients: round spinach, abalone mushroom, fresh black wood ear mushroom, prawns, ginger, some garnish, coriander, and goji berries, and egg. Now I'll be preparing the ingredients. First, the ginger, remove the skin, and the rest we just slice in thin slices. For the abalone mushroom, you can just peel it. Same with the wood ear mushroom. For wood ear mushroom, if these pieces are too big, you can just cut it smaller. For the prawns, we're giving the prawns a little bit of a trim. The front legs, and the back pointy thing here. The prawns, after trimming it, you'll just give the back a little butterfly. So how I do it, press the prawn, put the knife in, and after that, just saw it through. All the way to the back. And now, we can start cooking. We heat up the pot and add a little bit of oil. We add in some ginger, followed by the abalone mushrooms. Once you can smell the fragrance of the mushroom, you add some hot chicken stock in. This is some chicken stock that I've prepared beforehand, you just add it in. Reason why you add hot chicken stock is that you do not want the temperature to drop. As you can see, immediately after adding the chicken stock, the soup is already boiling. For seasoning, just very simple, salt and pepper. Now we can add all the other ingredients in. The wood ear mushroom, all the spinach, and the very fresh prawns. I'm going to add a bit more of the soup. Always remember to remove the scum. This is full of the natural flavours of the very fresh local produce that we have right here in Singapore. I think that you just need a little bit more seasoning, it'll be perfect. And lastly, I'll be cracking an egg into this, just to have a bit of an egg drop. And you get these very nice fluffy egg layers in the soup. Gives you a lot more depth. And this is how you can use local produce to make a very nutritious soup for yourself and for your family, with prawns, local spinach, wood ear mushrooms, and abalone mushrooms.